Hello my lovely viewers, before we delved into Asaprocky at Rolling Loud Barbados, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. A night to remember. The sun dipped below the horizon, casting a golden hue over the island of Barbados, as fans from all corners of the globe gathered for one of the most anticipated music festivals of the year, Rolling Loud. Among the eclectic lineup, one name stood out like a beacon of style and charisma: Asaprocky. With his unique blend of hip-hop, fashion, and cultural influence, Rocky promised a performance that would be etched into the memories of concertgoers long after the final notes faded away. As the festival approached, anticipation reached a fever pitch. Social media buzzed with speculation and excitement. Asaprocky, known for his electrifying stage presence and chart-topping hits, was set to headline on the second night of the festival. Fans reminisced about his previous performances, each one a masterclass in showmanship. Would he bring the same energy to Barbados? Would he unveil new tracks or collaborate with surprise guests? The questions lingered, propelling the hype to new heights. Rolling Loud Barbados took place in a stunning location, where lush greenery met the ocean's edge. The festival grounds were transformed into a vibrant paradise, with art installations, food stalls, and merch tents creating an immersive experience. As festivalgoers vibed to DJ sets and mingled with fellow fans, a palpable sense of community flourished. The atmosphere was electric, an ideal backdrop for Asaprocky's highly anticipated set. When the moment finally arrived, the crowd erupted in cheers. Asaprocky emerged on stage, cloaked in a stylish ensemble that perfectly embodied his fashion-forward persona. The opening beats of "Praise the Lord" to Shine reverberated through the air, igniting an immediate wave of energy. Fans sang along, their voices melding into a collective chorus that echoed across the festival grounds. Rocky's charisma was undeniable. He moved with a confidence that captivated the audience, drawing them into his world. Each track was delivered with precision and passion, from classics like F*** Kin Problems to newer releases from his latest album. The stage design, featuring stunning visuals and dynamic lighting, elevated the performance, creating a sensory experience that left attendees breathless. What set Asaprocky's performance apart was not just the music but the cultural fusion he brought to the stage. He often incorporated elements of his upbringing in Harlem, blending them with the Caribbean rhythms that resonated deeply with the audience. During a poignant moment, he paused to acknowledge the beauty of Barbados and its rich musical heritage, paying homage to local artists and influences that shaped the soundscape of the Caribbean. Rocky's ability to connect with the crowd was palpable. He shared stories, laughed with fans, and even encouraged them to embrace their individuality. This interact